So here are some mobilities for your lower body. First, get into any support. Here I am using the functional trainer just to get my balance. First, the front kick and back kick. So you move front and back. যেটা সবাই ভুল করে, যখন সামনে তোলে পেছনে ঝুঁকে যায় আর যখন পেছনে তোলে সামনে ঝুঁকে যায়, এটা করলে কোনো লাভ নেই। Your upper body should be stiff. Kick front, back, front, back. It should be a free movement. You should not hyperextend. তাহলে কোনো ফল পাবে না। Second, same thing. Sideways, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. What you should not do is this. Third, external rotation. Knee 90 degree up, pull it out, down. What you can also do is a circle. It all external rotation. This is internal rotation. Same on the other leg also. So this was part 1. এখনো অনেক কিছু দেখানোর বাকি আছে, so wait for part 2.